Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today's quick unboxing. We're building lots of brick builds for Christmas, but we're starting in November to give you the chance to, if you like them, to order them yourselves and hopefully get them in time for Christmas. This here is a Snowscape Christmas house, it says. I'll take a look at the outside of the box. Here's the build and what it looks like on the side. It does have a white brick in it, I believe. Let's see here. Guess we'll find out in a second. Yep, LED light. Okay, there we go. Let's get her open up. I ordered this on Temu. We got a pretty reasonable price, as I usually do on Temu. Here's the white bricks. Looks like there's two of them actually. Let's see if I think they've got the, yep, they got the little safety in there so they don't accidentally turn on. And let's see here. So my biggest question whenever I open these kits is, are the bricks Lego compatible, and do they have a numbering on them? Numbering is very important to me. I like numbers, and these appear to. Are they Lego sized bricks? They are definitely not. I guess they're close to the mini size, so it looks like to me. I don't mind the mini brick builds. They don't take up as much space, and we have a small living area, so the smaller build is not necessarily a bad thing for us. So I won't go through every brick bag there with you, but let's look at the instruction booklet if I can get out here. Look, I had it a second ago, but then I lost it. There we go. Okay, so a nice booklet style format, which I like. Oh, it says number 2, so there must be 2 books. Yeah. Yep, there we go. Okay, so it's a 2-book build. And let's see here. So I know many people who build Legos probably do not want a second or even third-sided brick if they have Duplos, which I get that. Like I said, we tend to like these mini builds or mini brick kits for the fact that they just don't take up near as much space. The instructions look, reasonable and easy to follow. Let's just go to where it says, next bag there. Good. So. Yep, so it's definitely using, number bags, and so I've seen it both ways. I've seen bags, numbered bags, but not numbered in the actual kit, and I've seen numbers in the kit and not numbers on the bags. But this one appears to have exactly what I'm looking for, so that's great. So yeah, I'm not sure how many bricks this is. Does it say on the outside of the box here? Yeah, 1,834 pieces. So that's not a small build. This box was completely packed with these bricks, so this will take a little time to build, but I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, we're building all these for hopefully get them done by December, so you have a chance to order them if you like them. I'll have a link to this on from Temu. I also tried to look on Amazon, because the Amazon and Temu tend to sell the same things, but Temu tends to be a few bucks to even double digits worth cheaper. But I tried to find on both for you, so whichever one you like to order from, you can go for it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to the Stallone's Reviews channel. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that needs to be replaced, and for $3 a month you get ad-free access to our videos, and hopefully that $3 could help you decide what to love making next. Thank you very much.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.